Have another beautiful car here for you today. This is a 1965 Chevelle. This car has been through a total frame off restoration. It is in excellent condition. Restoration quality and job is top notch. The car is just stunning. Rebuilt, small block, 350, 4-speed Muncie, power steering, power front disc brakes. Beautiful, beautiful maroon color here. So I'm gonna walk around and show you what this car is all about. You can just check out how straight the body is here. The body is just so straight. Bucket seat interior. Odometer shows 10,000 miles. I don't think it has that much on it since it's been restored. Probably has 1,000 or less since the restoration. You got your wipers there. Got a triple gauge pod there. Keep an eye on your oil pressure, voltage, and temperature. Turn signal indicator. Do have a horn. Lovely, lovely interior. The dark maroon also comes into here on the dash. Check out how clean that glove box is. We recently changed the oil. We use Valvoline VR1, which is recommended for older engines with flat tappet camshafts. Fresh, so it does have fresh oil. See the first shifter there, really nice. Have it. There's your small block Chevy engine, 350. Been rebuilt, as well as the transmission's been rebuilt. So you got headers on there, power steering, power front disc. Engine bay is just really super clean. Got the flaps over the control arms there. Please go to our website and we'll have undercarriage pictures posted. The undercarriage on this car is absolutely stunning. Just perfect under there. New body bushings, all new suspension bushings everywhere. It is just in awesome shape underneath. So if you're interested in this car or have any more questions, please scroll down, go to the link in the description. It'll take you right to our website. You can find the asking price there. You can find all the pictures. And if you have any more questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Thanks.